Hello friends, I am Dr. Jaskaran Singh Sani. I am consultant pediatrician and neonatologist at Chaitanya Hospital, Chandigarh. And today we shall be talking about newborn screening or your baby's first test. So we will try to understand what we do in newborn screening, why it is important, and why you should opt for it, and what information we can gather from this test. So, like any other diagnostic test or screening test, these are medical investigations which are suggested for all newborn babies. And this comprises three main parts. One is your pulse oximetry screening for your cardiac diseases, and a heel prick test to look for metabolic, hormonal, and other inborn errors of metabolism. And the third part is your hearing screen, where we look for any hearing deficits or hearing loss in the child. So these are what we comprise the newborn screening. अब न्यूबॉर्न स्क्रीनिंग हमारे बच्चों के लिए क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है? क्या ये हर एक बच्चे को करनी चाहिए या फिर कुछ सिलेक्टेड पॉपुलेशन के लिए होता है? तो इसमें इम्पोर्टेंट बात ये है कि जो दो कंपोनेंट्स हैं, दे आर मैंडेटेड टू बी एसेंशियल फॉर ऑल बेबीज. One, the hearing test, and second is your cardiac screening, that is pulse oximetry one. So this is definitely essential for each and every child. Now, as far as the third test is concerned, the heel prick test, we shall be talking in details a little bit later on. So first, we'll try to understand what we do in the hearing screen. The hearing screen can be done by two technologies. One is the BERA, that is Brainstem Evoked Response Audiometry, and the other is OAE or autoacoustic emissions. So these are two modalities. These are basically screening test. तो screening test का मतलब ये होता है कि ये जनरल पॉपुलेशन में से देखते हैं कि किस बेबी में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. दे आर नॉट डायग्नोस्टिक टेस्ट, दे आर स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट. तो ये भी न्यूबॉर्न स्क्रीनिंग के अंदर आते हैं. इसमें हम चेक करते हैं कि किस बेबी में पोटेंशियल है कि उसको हेयरिंग इश्यूज हो सकते हैं. एंड इफ वी पिक देम अप अर्ली एट इनिशियल स्टेजेस, देन सम इंटरवेंशन कैन बी डन. तो हेयरिंग के मामले में ये इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है कि जो न्यूरोनल कनेक्शंस हमारे ब्रेन में बनते हैं, जो हमारी लैंग्वेज स्किल्स और स्पीच को डिटर्मिन करते हैं, उनकी मैक्सिमम पेस जो फॉर्मेशन की होती है, दैट हैपन्स इन द फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ लाइफ. एंड इफ वी मिस दिस क्रिटिकल पीरियड, इफ वी मिस पिकिंग अप अ बेबी हु हैज सम काइंड ऑफ सेंसरी न्यूरल डेफिसिट, जिनको हेयरिंग में कोई इशू है, so that can lead to long-term implications in form of speech delay, autism, so forth, lot of problems. So in order to prevent these morbidities in future, it is very important that hearing screening is done for each and every baby as mandated by American Academy of Pediatrics, the European Academy of Pediatrics, and even the Indian Academy of Pediatrics. So the hearing screen is definitely a must for all children. Now second part is the pulse oximetry screening for cardiac diseases. So for my again, I'll like to highlight this thing, that this pulse oximetry screening is not a diagnostic test. It's a screening test to rule out any critical heart disease in newborn baby, right? तो इसमें क्या होता है, पल्स ऑक्सीमेट्री, आई थिंक एवरीबडी nowadays is aware about what a pulse oximeter is. Pulse oximeter is a device which uses infrared technology in form of a small probe which is attached to finger or other extremities of the body, from which they can determine the SpO2, that is the partial pressure of oxygen through this thing. तो ये बहुत ही कॉमनली यूज किया जाता है और ऑलमोस्ट सबके घर में आजकल SpO2 प्रोब है बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड. तो हमारे पास काफ़ी अवेयरनेस है कि पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर क्या काम करता है. So similarly, specially made pulse oximeter which can pick up signals from even a small child, a newborn, is used to do a pulse oximetry screening for a newborn baby. तो इसमें जो साइनोटिक हार्ट डिजीज होती हैं, जिसमें कहते हैं बच्चा नीला पड़ जाता है, कि वो वाली जो सीरियस बीमारियां हैं उनको रूल आउट करने के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. एंड दिस कैन बी डन ऑन डे 1 और डे 2 ऑफ लाइफ. तो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी subject each and every newborn baby to these two tests. Now we shall talk about the third part of the newborn screening, that is the heel prick test. So जो heel prick test है, this is not a new test. It has been in circulation in Western countries as far back as in 1970s, and even in 1990s it has become well accepted and well available throughout the country in India as well. तो इसमें हील प्रिक टेस्ट में क्या किया जाता है, बच्चे की हील से प्रिक करके ब्लड के सैंपल लिए जाते हैं इन फॉर्म ऑफ फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑन अ filter paper, and this filter paper is processed at a lab, and basic screening which is done is by technique called as tandem mass spectroscopy, and they are able to uh, pick out or screen for n number of diseases which can be there in this newborn. तो यहाँ पे जो important diseases जो screen की जाती हैं, I like to highlight the ones which are very important and essential for everybody. One is screening for hypothyroidism. ठीक है ना, तो hypothyroidism एक ऐसी बीमारी है जो कि मेंटल रिटार्डेशन का मोस्ट कॉमन रिवर्सिबल फॉर्म कारण है छोटे बच्चों में. तो ये बीमारी अगर हम पकड़ लें टाइम से तो बच्चे को इस सीरियस इशू से बचाया जा सकता है. Similarly, other thing is your G6PD deficiency, which is very common in our part of the country, that is the Punjab, Haryana, Himachal belt. And then sickle cell anemia also, and thalassemia also. Thalassemia is again prevalent in this part of the world as well as the belt adjoining the Mediterranean region. So again, thalassemia is something which we can screen for right at this age. And similarly, we can screen for sickle cell anemia. So apart from these diseases, what you can screen for is some hormonal issues as well, like congenital adrenal hyperplasia. And most importantly, most of the parameters are for your metabolic diseases of inborn error of metabolisms. So inborn error of metabolism क्या होता है? They are rare diseases which have what we call a genetic predisposition, and they are as a result of some missing enzymes or missing metabolite in your enzymatic pathways. So as a result of that, what happens is कि जो आपकी normal digestion है carbohydrates की, proteins की, lipids की, उसमें कुछ abnormalities रहती हैं और जो product बनने चाहिए वो नहीं बनते, कुछ abnormal products बन जाते हैं जो आपकी body को harm कर सकते हैं. And they have various kinds of presentation, right from seizures, encephalopathy, growth retardation, mental retardation, serious liver ailments, serious eye ailments, and they can have a very kind of varied presentation. So it is very important, especially if we have some history of familial disorders, if we have unexplained loss of siblings before we have, or we have a consanguineous marriage, यानी कि अगर close relatives के बीच में marriage होके कोई baby born हुआ है, तो especially in these cases it is very important that a full panel TMS or heel prick screening is done, so that these diseases are picked up right early in the age, in the first few weeks of life only, because many of them can be controlled by medicines and also by making changes in the baby's diet. So this is the importance of newborn screening, and we talked about in detail the three components: the hearing part, the pulse oximetry part to rule out congenital heart diseases, the critical heart disease one, and third, the heel prick test. And I would like to inform you also that September worldwide is celebrated as the Newborn Screening Awareness Month. So it is very important, and our endeavor from our side as a hospital, as a mother and child care center, to bring this important information to you. So my message is very simple and clear. Newborn screening is your baby's first test, and it is something which you should give to your child so that he can be protected, or he can be screened for these important disorders, and we can prevent their occurrence or treat them if we find them. I hope the information we provided was useful to you, and if you have any further questions, you can contact us. We shall be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you.